Children, now we are learning about Africa. In the last class we discussed about the climate of Africa continent. Now we are going to learn about slave trade of Africa continent. Slave means you all know, called in Telugu Banisa. Okay, in the 16th century many Europeans began migrating to America and started cultivation there. In the 16th century many European people began migrating to America and started cultivation there. Why? Because there is plenty of land in America. Plenty of land in America, but there are no people, not enough people to work. There are no enough people to work in the America. So much of land is there to work, but people are very less. To fill that gap, Africa began slave trade. To fill up that gap, Africa began slave trade. The people who captured and they were sent to coast, and that people sold to Europeans. That African people sold to Europeans. For exchanging these slaves, the African tribal leaders accepted guns, iron objects, liquor and clothes. They exchanged their slaves from Africa to European countries, and for exchanging this they got what they got. The tribal people of Africa, they got iron objects, guns, liquor and clothes. They exchanged these slaves and they got these items. How is the people, the slaves' life in that area in America? Many of them died by the time they reached the port. When they reached the port, many of the slaves died because the ships were stuffed with slaves. That means so many slaves in that ships. Because of that, so many died. There were no proper arrangements. That means no proper food and no proper medicine for the slaves. They are not giving any proper arrangements for the slaves. Because of that also they died. So many slaves are died by the reach, when they reached the port. That time only so many slaves died. And it took several days to reach America. That ships, it took several days to reach America for that ships, because America is too far from that Africa continent. Despite working hard, they were not given proper food or living quarters. The slaves did many hard work in the America continent, but they did not given any proper food or living quarters for them. Because of this, lakhs of people died after they were made slaves. So many slaves are sent to America from Africa continent. Because of no proper arrangements, no living quarters, they have so much hard work. Because of that, so many people, lakhs of slaves died. In 16th and 17th century, numerous companies were engaged. In the 16th and 17th century in America, numerous companies were engaged. So, slave trade ended in the 19th century, and this America declared free citizens. That slaves are to be free citizens. This America declared. When? In 1860. In 1860, that slaves are declared as free citizens of America. In America, they are declared as free citizens. Okay, this is the life of the slaves of Africa. From where, which country they came to America? From Africa they came to America because there is so much land to work, no people, not enough people to work in that America. To fill that gap, slave trade union began in Africa continent. Okay, the people sent to America. So, which were captured on the coast and they sold to Europeans. This Africa tribal leaders, they sold this Europeans to America by accepting guns, iron objects, liquor and clothes. Okay, many of them died at the seaport only because of their illness and no proper medical facilities for them. So they did so much hard work, but they did not have any facilities like living quarters, proper food. Because of that, so many lakhs of people, lakhs of slaves died. In the 16th and 17th century, numerous companies were engaged, and then at the 19th century, America declared as free citizens in America in 1860. Okay, this is the slave trade of the Africa continent.